Yuki! Yuki!
Bakit?
Tawag ka ni Mama!
Bakit na naman?
Uutusan ka daw!
Teka lang, may klase ako. Sabi mo mamaya na. Charge.
Lina, load na kasi.
Ano naman? Buti naman.
By the way, by sheer count, I think your class now has a total of 20
Ay, buti naman.
student
Nakakonect na.
participants or 20 students. Which would mean, by the way, by sheer count, I think your class now has a total of 20 student participants or 20 students.
Yun nga. Ang hirap kasi magtrabaho dito. Laging maingay, laging may tao. Sobra. I wish my life was different. I wish I could be me, but different. I won't struggle. I won't be alone.
Tahimik. Walang istorbo. Parang panaginip lang.
Ganito pala. Magulo, maingay, pero may tao.
Which would mean that we might end up having 10 pairs of students in total from our school.
Masyado na lang yung English ha.
Akala ko ito yung gusto ko. Pero, parang kulang.
I thought I didn't have everything, but maybe it's enough.
Your life isn't happy. And yours isn't easy. Maybe we don't need another life. Maybe we just need to see our own. Hello? Ate! Kita naman tayo. Miss na kita.
Kahit saan, buhay pa rin to. And maybe that's enough.